Okay, let's go over CL settings. Nice little program, but a lot of good signals. The rules are same like in the video, finding market direction. Price needs to break, in this case, this upper green line in the closest high, which did same time, and then either pull back to the bottom of the yellow zone with hold under, acting as a support, and continue up. In this case, made a half a bar signal, and it's a good for a few ticks. Alright, now this is an uptrend still in this case, but it's under hold, so we don't want to go here anything along. Plus we are in the red zone. In this case, confirmed it's down, at same time is breaking closest low, which is important right here, but turn around and you can see start coming, going along, went down, broke right away, going up. So this could be that they're changing direction pretty soon. A lot of up and down. Okay, settings on here on this program. It's like 1007 price action channel. Upper zone would be vertical shift 0.15. If it was NQ, would be for same lines to act should be about 15. Inside size 0, outside size 28. Okay, the bottom, it's a vertical shift minus 0.15, inside size 0, outside size 28, and in both instances only boxes are checked, draw midline and paint midline. Okay, white line, it's EMA 8, as you can see. Blue line is a hold EMA over here, vertical shift 0, period 36. A lot of time it's good to bring this hold -1 or to 4, -1 to 4. Just depends how you like it. Try different settings and see. So average type hold EMA, vertical shift 0, period 36, and make sure you're watching this one. Parameters hold EMA, trend period 21. Same would be for comma if we are using comma. You have 5 indicators in this one. Alright, and then yellow zone, upper yellow one, it's the 1007 pullback zone. In this case is WMA, you see here. Vertical shift 0.02, again if it was Nasdaq would be 2, period 39. That's all you can look here. And then the bottom one, bar yellow, is average type WMA, vertical shift minus 0.04, period 39. Alright, the best signals would be if we can get the price comes under the yellow zone just a little bit, pulls back to upper band, which indicates in this case just continued, and then the hold is above, pulls back and continues down. It's very choppy. We're in the red zone, start giving us broke even this upper line. The closest high would be this here, this little bar. Got to be careful when you're looking. That will be the closest high which needs to be broken. Breakthrough, but just even, pull back down, but hold is here and going up. So this is still in uptrend. Yellow is white EMA 8 is above yellow, but we're under hold, so it's not that good signal for uptrend. Plus we're in a red zone. Rather wait for a pullback and then look for the best signal, which will be just great over here. Pull back a little bit down, go a little bit down, pull back to upper yellow, and the hold comes down, as a support and then go down. All right, great signals over here are for the short, this alpha bar. Only thing over here would be better if alpha bar was here. Okay, but we'll find. There wasn't that any good signals for the downtrend here. Halt is very close. They couldn't break it. Here was a good signal. Just couple of first time goes down white, pulls back to the middle line, couple of 3-4 ticks, no more, above upper yellow, and then pull back. But in this case they went a little bit higher, then pulled down even more. Okay, so in this case here they confirmed down, they went under yellow. The closest low would be this one. They never came down there and start pulling up and down. All right, there was a down here which they went above halt and then went even up there, failed. So first good signal would be on this here, where the price goes under the halt. A lot of times these signals, even that we are still in yellow, never went, wasn't confirmed down. That would be somewhere here, or even here where white is even with yellow. But a lot of times you'll find that when they just break, white breaks the halt, that you can go down right here too for some ticks. Here never broke, stayed above, turn around. Okay, so see, stayed above, turn around, stay above, turn around. Also alpha bars, they're pretty good signals for a long for a few ticks. Here's we just broke yellow, it's under. Alpha bar formed, plus was breaking this low to confirm. Only thing never broke the low, which was here. But for a few ticks, it was good. We are above halt over here. They could have pulled to the halt, maybe not even stay, not even touch this bottom, and then turn around like here and go up. But they did it before, so a lot of times you'll see them like here, they come so close to this line, but never push it down and then turn around and start going up. So if there's signal like that for a few ticks, you know, at least to 8, and that's it. So a lot of times you'll see them like this. They'll come, play like here, make higher low, and then just go. Okay, alpha bar a little bit high, meaning alpha bar, when I say only this bar by itself, if it's full bar would be like here, either red or green. Here's a full bar. All right, this was good signal for long, only thing it's in a red zone, so rather wait for break that down, plus just go under the halt. There's the first bar for a few ticks. Go above halt, here's the bar for a few ticks. Go under the halt, but it's not above, it's above both yellow, so this wouldn't be that good signal. So you can see the difference, going under, and the price is already under yellow both bands, and then here it's above both yellow bands. All right, so that will be there. Here is where price needs to pull back to upper yellow, 1 to 4 ticks, maybe 5 even here, create the alpha bar, and then down, which was great. Let's take a look over here. There's a resistance on the halt. You can see over here they tried to go up, but they're under the hold line. White one never went above hold and down. Here went just for a few ticks. This wasn't a good signal. All right, they stayed above. White never ate. White line never went under that band. Stayed above bottom one and go up there. Here's a great signal. Just went above the hold, created half a bar, turn around, breaking this high, going up. Stop would be under this this half a green bar, maybe one tick under. That's what will be stop if a trader is using stop. Okay, so here's another on good. They never went up there. There will be one tick under, half a bar. They come down, bounce from the bottom yellow, continue up. Alright, so but this half a bar didn't work out for a couple of 3 ticks, but turned right the way around. Okay, we are in the green zone. So if the trader is using only this channel, first time they go above, now this will be like the most you want to see them up. You don't want to see them a big trend up there. Pull back to the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ticks under, turn around and go long. Half a bar. Okay, there's a half a bar, but it's not a good signal. It's under both yellow. Here's a good half a bar, breaking this low, breaking this low over here. This line is broken and coming for a few ticks. All right, here's about bands, both bands above hold. It's a double top, wouldn't take it, never touched it here. Maybe once they confirm like this, then just go, but they never went and touched this yellow down. It would be really nice that they came here. That would be much better signal. All right, here's a half a bar again. Here's a good one, only we are in the red zone. Went above just a little bit, pulled back to the bottom zone, 4 or 5 ticks. Hold is acting as a support and going up. This would be perfect like signal if it was in a green zone. There's again half a bar, breaking low, breaking this low, and then continue down. Here's just about hold. You can see we left, start making high lows a little bit. This even lows over here. Went above hold for at least few ticks to here, plus half a bar. This one didn't work. First time we are leaving here. Red zone. Didn't go much up there for a few ticks. Here's when they're breaking, they should be good for, usually they're good for a few ticks. All right, here's a half a bar. Look, it just happened above hold in the it's not in the red, it's not in the green zone. Neutral zone went for up there. So those that are breaking hold with the half a bar, they're just good. Never could go long over here. Hold is above. All right, it's in the red zone, but it's breaking this high. So it looks like they like to do that. They're half a bar breaking, going up. All right, this is good for down, but they just went short. Short time, a lot of times when they're breaking like this and in the red zone, say we're gonna go high, but the closest high over here would be this bar, They never broke that. So sometimes they'll show that, but then turn around and come down. Alright, there's again half a bar and a breaking on in the red zone. Here's a half a green bar, breaking again the low, breaking. Here's the low on this bar, and for a good few ticks it's good. So nice system for CL. Here's a half a bar and again breaking here. They already broke this low for a few ticks. Nice good little system for a simple system for trading CL. Can be used for gold, can be used for Nasdaq, just needs to be adjusted also. Alright, a little bit of practice or even more is better. And they can you can get some great signals. Here's again breaking, hold, breaking both yellow, half a bar, and going. Stop is under green. Over here, if you're just going to hold for a few ticks, stop is under green bar. Alright, same over here would be on the green bar, under. Here would be above red, made few ticks. Here's again just breaking, hold in the green zone, half a bar, long. Stop is here if a trader using stop. Alright, so practice. Here's again broke above everything, broke up there, but in this case it's half and the full bar. Continuing. Go over the signals. You have now settings for CL, nice system. Here's the half a bar breaking both yellow. Okay, if they're doing this, they went above, well, they were here above for a while, tried to go up, failed. There was a half a bar for the raid. It wasn't that strong signal. This case worked just because we're in neutral. But if you are reading as a break of the uptrend, because we were here in the downtrend, could be iffy signal for a few bars maybe to here. Alright, here's again above, going above hold, half a bar for a few ticks, which worked out. Here's breaking above hold and both the lines, yellow lines, this bar created, long, stop is here. And so on. Let's see if we can find something for the long over here. Here's, we got into green zone again. We just got put, there was a pullback. White stayed above a yellow line, perfect bouncing. Nice to hold. Nice to hold, there's reaction. First, this one was still under hold. Went through, made again half a bar. Just broke above hold. Here's a nice trade. Alright, it can be used for another, for like an NQ. It's just it's a different. The price needs to be above all the lines. A nice pullback. In here, this case was to hold. White stayed above all the lines. Just hit the, looks like a bottom yellow. Continue up. Here's under all the lines, pullback down. Here would be, this would be first one, good signal, went above all the lines, pull back to the green and yellow, green and red, and went start coming up. Never pull back. Here's a pullback to hold, go up. Alright, too long. Here's the first one, but then turn around. This is sideways iffy. There's the alpha bar just above everything that didn't work, so, but this one here worked, breaking for a few ticks. There's again under, first pullback. This one definitely worked, stayed above all the lines, white stayed all the time and go up. Okay, here's just a whole gut it between everything, but very nice trend up there. Here's under everything come down. Here's above everything, went up for a short time. And so on. So it can be used for different holds. In this case is mixed story here, same long trend, then it was pullback, so it's better to have a just a little trend that gets above everything, pulls into these lines and then continues up. Just like this is, if it was a little bit higher it would be better. Not good signal. This is mixed. Only thing is we are in the red zone, but here's a good signal. Alright, here we were above red and green, but hitting halt and coming down. Alright, this is iffy. Mixed, so we want to be choosy for some good signals where we have the best chances, best possibilities. We never know when they're gonna just go like this, pull even down to here, go up, make double top. So that's where the best possibilities we can have. Here stayed above everything, it's even with green, and then for a little uptrend, here's breaking this high, staying above halt, went under and then went above. So if it stays for the short time under the halt and then turns its original direction, it's a good one. Alright, so here are good signals, it's just a little bit long trend. But if the turn is happening like here, and then at least by halt, and then continuing down, and it's already above everything else. Here's mixed. This would be good for continue. They just went even under again. Alright, here's a really good signal. Went down, went just under the halt, pulled back into red and green, the channel, stayed under the halt, stayed under all lines and went down. Okay, here's a alpha bar, turn around, went above all the lines and went long. So these alpha bars, they work much better on CL. Alright, if we try the gold, here's similar like NQ, so it needs to be adjusted. So these settings are, because of the price, they're the best for CL. Well, thank you again, appreciate it. Thanks for being with me here. Have a wonderful trading there. This is good, simple system. Alright, I'll talk to you in another video and look for the best.